Hey there everybody, and hopefully that we are live. So for anybody that wants to come on and check out this live, then please do. This is to do with Kling's AI video generator, the new update, the 2.5 turbo, and how our Hollywood generator has been updated to cater for that as well. So many of you know who I am. My name is Kevin Ebsworth, and me and Mike Bruce set up a platform called viralvault.uk. Now in that platform we created like a whole training series on how to generate faceless videos using AI tools. And with this latest AI tools and the way AI is moving these days, it's moving at a ridiculous rate on all the updates that it's doing. So what we have done is we have allowed the updates to happen, and then to be able to cater for that within our generators that we created to upload into ChatGPT or whatever platform that you're using, whether you're using Abacus or anything like this, to be able to create not only your image prompts but your video prompts as well. But with the new updates, I'm going to share the screen with you. So I'm just going to share my screen. Let's just share the entire screen, shall we? Okay, so here we go. So we're in the new updates on Kling. So I'm just going to see this video for a second. Right, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to press pause on that. So the new update is the Kling 2.5 Turbo. And this is obviously a lot more than the other ones. They've included, which I think is really, really good, an immersive mode. Okay, so it's a shame I can't make this bigger, but it's just showing you somebody cutting through, I don't know what that is, a jackfruit, and you can hear the sound on it. Screen partially covered. So right, okay, so show screen anyway. So many of you, let me know if you can see this now. Sorry, I didn't realise that my screen wasn't sharing. So Bruce is just letting me know if this is sharing now. Better. Okay, so as you can see here, right, let's come off that demo. I'm going to share with you exactly one of the videos I'm doing today. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but what Kling AI video generator 2.5 turbo, what it has done is it's taken 2.1 and it's made it a little bit better with the immersive video treatment here. So immersive experience with enhanced details. So with this, it gives you the sound and it gives you music that it can add to it as well. So if I go to an older video here, I'll click on this one. So it's just sharing a snippet of what it can do. So the 2.5 is just giving you a whole lot more stuff for there, and it's a lot cheaper as well. So if you want to do a 5-second clip, it is only 25 credits. If you want to do a 10-second clip, it's 50 credits compared to what it was before. So if I take you to our prompt generator, this is coming to ViralVault. So here we have the Hollywood Secrets generator. In there is a load of code. We've uploaded it. I've uploaded it to ChatGPT. So the way we do that is we go into projects, open up new projects, call it whatever you want to call it, and then once you're in there, it will say add file. So in here you can add photos or files. You click on this, and then you can upload an actual file to it. And with that, I'm not going to upload any of this, but with that I uploaded the txt file which contains the code, which will then give you the prompts that you're looking for. So say for instance I want to create, so if we put create 3 prompts on, let's have a look at an historical event. So I'm going to go to something here because I'm going to need this later. Historical events in October. There we go. We'll just pick this one up. Three prompts on. This has to be correct. So here we go. As you can see, the prompt generator is now creating the image prompts and then the video prompts. But on top of that, because of the AI generator, so the Kling AI generator gives you the sound effects and the music options, you can then copy and paste all of this that will go with your image and your video, if you understand what I'm saying. So with that, it allows you to then create the images and then go from the images and create the images to the video. So once you've done the image, you then go to the video and then you plonk your image in there and then you put the prompt in here for the video. You go back into the ChatGPT and it says sound effects here. So you then copy the sound effects, plonk it back into the sound effects here, and then go back into the music prompts, and then it will give you the music prompt here, which will then be pasted in this area here. Then once you've done that, depends on how long you want those videos, you can then click on 10 seconds, which you can see it's 50 credits, or you can click on 5 seconds, which is 25 credits. It doesn't take as long as well. It takes just, I'd probably say about a minute to actually create the videos, like this one for instance. So 5-second clips. So it adds the sound effects to it as well as the music that suits that ambience. So I hope that really helps everybody here. So the new video updates that Kling has done, I think is been really good. I absolutely appreciate what Kling are doing as well, especially when they've got VO3 on the go, where people are opting into the Google VO3, which I know Brucey uses. But I like using Kling. I like the familiarities that I have with it, and you know, the amount of videos that I've churned out using this, as you can see all the way down here, it's not done me wrong. So with our new prompt generators as well, not only have we got the Hollywood prompt generator, but you can put that into the Fusion generator as well. So I've created a Fusion generator 2.5 turbo, which does the same sort of thing here. So I was testing it out last night actually. So it done the Creo prompt. So the Fusion prompt generator, what it does is it creates you the first image, and it creates you the mashup of those two characters in the second image. And then it's done the Kling prompt here, so it tells you all the Kling prompt here, scene, camera, Fusion basics, so it tells you two characters, fully bodied, standing opposite each other, true to scale, eyeline level, background consistent, hybrid, cityscape, blah blah blah, and they move in together. So I call it the onion fusion steps, which goes to hands, forearms, and so on and so on, and then it gives you the end result. So it's sharing absolutely everything with you with the new 2.5 turbo upgrade. So let me just stop sharing the screen. So as you can see, guys, that the new 2.5 Kling updates, we have now catered for it, and you should be able to use the new and improved prompt generators, which will be live on our ViralVault website, to be able to download and upload to your ChatGPT or Abacus or whatever you're using for your AI prompts. So go ahead. If you're not in ViralVault yet, then I suggest that you come on board and you come and take a look. I'm going to drop the link down below this video, and you just go ahead, take a look. But I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, put a thumbs up, leave a comment in the descriptions, like down below. Leave the comments, leave a comment. Let us know what you think. And if you're interested in finding out what ViralVault has to offer, then please, reach out to either me or Brucey, and we'll send you a link, and we'll just let you know. Okay. Well, thank you again for joining this live, and hopefully we'll see you on another video at some point.